I'm Cassandra Ortiz, a public affairs specialist from the Georgia Department of Corrections. I really enjoyed you guys' class. I think it was actually better for me to have it online. I got to utilize a different app that I didn't know before, so a little more tech savvy on that end. I think that it didn't lack anything as far as us not being in the classroom. We still had a lot of interaction. I learned a lot of things. And even being online, we still got to kind of practice some of those scenarios, which was good. Kind of relieves a little bit of the pressure because you don't have to stand up in front of everybody and talk in front of a classroom. We're just looking at each other here and being able to communicate and still network. So I feel like I got a lot out of the class. It was really enjoyable. Thank you.
My name is Yvette Jones. I'm the Director of Communications for the DeKalb County District Attorney's Office. And this was an awesome virtual training. You didn't really know what to expect because it was a last minute move to virtual from being an in-person class. But I think not a step was missed. There was a lot of great information, great content. And I credit that to you and to Penny for giving that to us in advance so that we had the tools at our fingertips. Being able to interact with the classmates virtually was a positive experience. And I do agree that some of the barriers that you might find in an in-person class were removed because you felt like you were in your own space and your own comfort and able to, I guess, to communicate without, fear of saying something wrong or not being correct. You were just in a comfortable space. So I appreciated the experience. I appreciated networking with the classmates and really having the opportunity for engaging and insightful dialogue. I would definitely do it again.
My name is Ashley Holsey, and I am a public information officer for the Carroll County Sheriff's Office located here in Georgia. I really enjoyed this class. I've never done a virtual class before. Like Cassandra, I was able to use an app that I've never used before, which was Zoom. I really enjoyed it. It was user-friendly, pretty clear audio and video, and I felt like I actually interacted with everyone on a face-to-face basis just as much as I would have in the class. We were able to share our contacts. And it wasn't as intimidating to be on camera on the computer as it was to be in front of your peers in a classroom. So I feel like, we all got something out of it, and I really enjoyed it.
I'm Tashina Brown. I am the PIO, or one of the PIOs for the Atlanta Police Department. Definitely appreciated that we were able to do this online. So when we were told that it was going to be a virtual class, I'm like, okay, wow. So the fact that we were able to go 2 days, 8 hours each day, it didn't feel like 8 hours. We're in the comforts of our home. We're face to face with you guys. We're still able to do everything that we did in the classroom, we're able to do on here. Just the informalness of the class, still be able to get everything done right here. So I definitely can see this being a part of what future training sessions can be like. You see that we're still here. Normally, if it was in the classroom somewhere, everybody would got up and left, and but we're still hanging out because that's how much we enjoyed it.